everyone, it's Mao from Sparkly Belly. In my last video, you saw how to sew beads in a perfectly straight line. But when you make appliques or decorate dance costumes, you may use rhinestone chains. Rhinestone chains are beautiful and much quicker to sew than beads, but it can be tricky to place them perfectly if you don't know how. And in this video, you'll see how. Let's get started. First, just like we did for beading, draw the line you want to follow with your rhinestone chain. If you want to create a curved design like this, be careful not to use steep curves. If the curve is too tight, the stones will face sideways. So use gentle curves and make sure your rhinestone chain can actually be shaped into your design. Next, place rhinestone chain along the line and trim it to the right length. Now, here's the secret tool, gem tag. You may use this gem tag glue to glue on small rhinestones. Actually, you can use this glue to temporarily hold rhinestone chain in place as well. So apply a small amount of glue along the line you drew and start placing your rhinestone chain on top. The glue doesn't dry immediately, so you can adjust as you go. I like to shift the stones so that the stones are placed side by side, but you can keep them sparse, it's your choice. Then take your needle and thread and sew between the stones like this. I usually sew every other stone. And you should have a beautiful shape drawn by your rhinestone chain. Once the rhinestone chain is in place, you can follow the line with beads and stones to create beautiful appliques. I hope you like this rhinestone chain tutorial, and if you're curious how to make these appliques with rhinestone chain, you can get DIY applique kits from my online store. The kits come with all the materials you need and the lines are already drawn, so all you have to do is follow the step-by-step instructions. Click the link in the description to check out the store. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!